This just in. Your computer has 147 viruses. Real antivirus software doesn't look like it was designed in a Red Bull-fueled panic attack. Here's the truth. If a pop-up tells you that your PC is doomed unless you click the Now button, yeah, that pop-up's the real virus. That button doesn't clean your system. It invites chaos. Real antivirus work quietly in the background and don't need you to panic click anything. It's most likely just a full screen browser pop-up. The first thing to try is to hold the Alt key on your keyboard and then press F4. That should close the window. If the window closes, I'd reboot your computer just in case. If not, press and hold the power button on your computer until it shuts off. I know, it's a pain, but would you rather let the virus take control of your computer? When you're done, we recommend running a virus scan just in case. Just remember, the next time you see a warning sign that says your PC has 147 viruses, just remember that's not your antivirus talking, that's a trap. And no, clicking faster does not make it go away. Need help figuring out what's real and what's digital garbage? Think it's a real virus? Give us a call. We'll devirus your computer without traumatizing. Till next time.